All right, welcome back. So today we are out here with the Big Rock 6S, 20 million diff fluid in the center diff now. Only change we've made. Other than that, it's all stock, still on 6S. We're gonna give it a little rip and see if this one's fixed just like my Outcast version 2 or 2.5 or whatever you guys are calling that one, the one with the center diff. So do have some rain gear on. California's in, I guess you would call it the flood zone, and we're just gonna come out and rip because, like I said, I only have one day off.
Reports of a home collapsing, and you can take a look at all the runoff here in this neighborhood.
So there was a landslide. There's an unoccupied house that just went on sale. Hillside came down, shoved the house into our road. The whole house is down. Yeah, and there was a piano in the street.
Every time he said something else, you were just kind of floored. Wow.
Mud flows in Encino and Studio City forced the evacuation of several homes.
We've watched cars driving through this mess. How fast the water is rushing down Beverly Glen. Now cones are up on each side, yet people keep coming through the cones, and they've actually been driving through this mess. Let's go to Studio City near Fryman Canyon. Part of the hillside came down.
I'm still sick, but that's not going to stop me from running today. I've always said this thing is a drift missile. So much fun with this RC. What a blast. I can already tell that it's got more power just because it's applying more drive to those rear wheels, so I can literally drift it perfectly. These are water resistant, not waterproof. Really got to have trigger control with all this drive now. Way too much rear drive in this wet condition. Look at it. All it wants to do is spin around. Need some rain tires. California, we don't have a lot of rain. So whenever we see rain like this, we still get out and rip. Unlike the East Coast people, a little bit of rain, they stay inside. Just horsing around with you guys. Literally nobody here at the park. I wonder why. God, that's a big puddle right there. Let's go through this puddle. really slows down the RC car hitting all this water. It's literally flooded everywhere. This thing's gonna probably need all new bearings serviced after this. Trying to avoid that pole. At least the Outcast, I was able to wheelie and do that kind of stuff. This one I can't. It's just, there's no traction. This is really an electronics test right now, especially these receivers. These Spectrum receivers do not like water at all. What a little ripper. Lens dry. Oh, that's a lot of water right there. It is flooded down there. Right into that curb. I really will be surprised if this ESC and all the electronics keep working after this. Gotta love it. Let's see. I'm gonna open this trunk and we're gonna stand underneath it. Nope, no traction. Nope, no traction. Wonder if we can drift around this. Oh, that's a lot of water over there. Drift missile. Oh, that was a big puddle. Oh. Oh, it's coming down now. Coming down now. Rain is like sand. It's really fun when you're playing with it, but when it destroys stuff, it truly destroys stuff. Ooh, I'm getting poured on. Why would they put these structures with all these holes in it? They literally just put this up. Uh-oh. I lost steering. I think the steering servo had enough water. That's it. Steering servo got drowned. We drowned the steering servo. Sometimes you can power it off and power it back on and it'll be okay. We didn't destroy the steering servo. Oh, it's struggling to the left. It is struggling to the left. Like I said, these are water resistant, not waterproof. So the kind of water that's on the ground right now is a lot for this RC. And truly impressive. Oh, that thing's soaking wet. Steering's back. They start running hot. Especially with all this turning I'm doing. Remember, they're at 7.4 volts, I think, on this one. It's a lot for this little RC. Oh, low voltage cut. That's it. Oh, and the steering stopped again. See how the steering goes all the way over to one side? The steering's overheating. Let's get this thing powered off. These batteries unplugged. Somebody's calling me as well. Wow, that's a lot of water in here. But that's going to end our fun in the rain. Well, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't let a little flood storm stop you from running your RC. Get out and have some fun. That's what life's all about. When you work hard all week, you get sick, you don't want to take your only day off just to sit in bed. Get out and rip. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. I still can't tell on the center diff because we just have no traction. Thanks for watching.